the sheriff's office. What's going on, man?
I just put a new oil pump in my truck. I'm from Salty.
Okay.
I just lost oil pressure right here.
Okay.
I didn't mean to pull over in front of him or nothing. I mean, I just did. So, whatever you want to do, man.
I got you. So just mechanical problems you're having?
Yeah, I've been working on this truck. I just bought it.
Okay. When'd you buy it?
About 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got you. Where's Salty at?
28. It's in Cleveland.
Cleveland?
Off
Okay.
384.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got you. Where are you trying to get to then?
Nothing. I'm just running it down the highway, and I'm gonna turn around whenever I get ready.
Right. Okay.
Exactly.
I got you.
I just lost oil pressure. Exactly when I pulled in front of his car.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got you. So, Mr. McGoogle, be honest with me, okay?
Yes, sir.
How much you drank today?
None.
Why can't I smell it?
You can't, sir. I haven't been drinking.
I can smell it coming from you, man. But
No, sir.
okay. Would you be willing to do some field sobriety evaluations for me today?
Yeah, I mean, I guess.
Okay. Do you have any medical issues with your head, eyes, or ears?
No, sir.
Do you diagnose medical issues with your brain?
No, sir.
Any issues with your back, legs, knees, feet, hips, or ankles?
No, sir.
Anything that's going to stop you from walking or balancing?
No.
First thing I just want to look at your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Good. Oh, that ain't working. Nope. You want to stay right here for me on my flashlight if you don't mind, and just face me, okay? Stand with your feet together for me, with your arms down by your side, okay? If I hold my finger right here, can you see it okay?
Yes, sir.
I just want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Keep your head completely still, okay?
Okay.
Stay focused on my finger, okay? Keep your head completely still. Up and down.
897 West Ridge, this picture.
All right, you can relax. Do you feel comfortable walking in your slides?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. First thing I want you to stand right here for me, and I want you to face your truck, okay?
Yes, sir.
First thing I want you to just imagine a straight line from your left foot going straight forward, okay?
Okay.
You have that line in your head?
Yes, sir.
All right, on that line, I want you to put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe, just like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Directly in front. Like your heel touching your toe, just like I am. See how my feet are?
Yes, sir.
All right, go and stand just like that for me.
Yes, sir.
All right, with your arms by your side like this.
Yes, sir.
Maintain that position. Don't do anything until I tell you to, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
I mean, sir, I'm freezing. Okay. Here we go.
Okay. All right, do you understand I don't want you to do anything yet, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. When I tell you to, and only when I tell you to, I want you to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps forward.
9.
9 heel-to-toe
Okay, I
steps
got it.
forward. You're going to turn around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. All right? It'll look like this.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. All the way out to 9. When you reach 9, I want you to keep your front foot on the ground like this and take a series of small steps to turn just like I am.
Yes,
and
sir.
Take 9. Not yet. Come on back. And take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, and 3. While you're doing this, I want you to keep your eyes on your feet, count out loud, keep your arms by your side, and once you've started, don't stop till you finish, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, go and stay right here for me and face me. Stay with your feet together, arms out by your side, okay? Once again, I don't want you to do anything until I tell you to, all right?
All right.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. When I tell you to and only when I tell you to, I want you to lift whichever foot you want approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just like this. Keeping your legs straight and your toes pointed forward. I don't want you to do anything yet, okay? Just lift your foot 6 inches off the ground, approximately 6 inches like I am. Look at your foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth till I'll tell you to stop, okay? While you're doing this, I want you to keep your eyes on your foot, count out loud, and keep your arms by your side. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
If you don't have any questions, you can begin.
How many?
How many what?
Steps.
I don't want you to take any steps. I don't want you to take any steps. Do you remember the instructions that I gave you?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to give them to you again? Okay.
Radio 32, 1081.
Want me to set that?
Radio 656.
Okay. You sure you understood the instructions that I gave you?
I mean, I guess.
Okay. All right. So the last part of my evaluation is I'd like a sample of your breath, if that's okay.
Sir?
Can I have a sample of your breath?
Probably not.
Okay. Okay. So how many drinks did you have while you were working on your truck?
Sir, look.
Okay.
Look, man.
How many drinks did you have while you were working on your truck?
I don't have any
You
drinks.
didn't have anything to drink?
Look, man.
Okay. All right. How old are you?
How old am I? I'm 47.
47. All right. Go and try to change my back for me.
Alright.
You're going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
Okay.
I got to read you something. This is called the Georgia Implied Consent Notice for suspects over the age of 21. At the end of this, I'm going to ask you a yes or no question. I need a yes or no answer from you, okay?
Alright. Can I... Anybody get a chance to call my...
Yeah, I'll let you call somebody here in just a second, okay?
Alright.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state. Upon your submission to the state-administered chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance for the purpose of determining if you are under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance at your own expense or for qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to state-administered chemical test of your blood?
No.
Is there anything on your pockets I need to know about?
No.
Anything that's going to poke or stick me?
No, sir.
Do you have a dip in your mouth still?
Sir?
Do you have a dip in your mouth still?
Yes, sir.
Go and spit that out for me if you can. You stand up for me?
Yep.
All right, we're going up here to this back car, okay?
Let's do it. What's my charge?
This one right here. Right now you'd be in charge of driving under the influence.
Very good. Thank you.
Highway Perry Lane, Charles on X-ray 758.